Good morning, students. Today, students, we will do lesson number 23, patterns. So, let's start with the patterns. Do you know what are the patterns? Patterns are basically the arrangement of a number, also arrangement of some figures, also arrangement of alphabet also, which we repeat several times. Clear? Again and again. That is called pattern. So these patterns are present everywhere in our daily life also. So patterns are present everywhere, and in our daily life we see patterns in animals, arrangement of leaves, numbers, etc. And this patterns makes the match interesting for us and help us unwind our mind. Clear? So you all know, if after 3 6 come, then come 9, then come 12, then come 15. So after that what number come? You can see that it is a table of 3. So after 15 there will come 18 and then come 21. Clear? In second one, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So after circle, rectangle come, then circle. So there are 2 boxes, then 3, then 4. Now how many boxes will be there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Clear? Now on the behalf of this only we do activity 1. So let's start with it. Activity 1, you have to study the pattern. According to that you do the question. Firstly arrow is up, then inside, then down, then in this side. So now it will come up, then again inside, then down. Clear? B part, there is a circle having square, then rectangle having circle, then circle having square, then rectangle having circle. So this time circle come with square inside, then rectangle come with circle inside. Clear? Then again circle come with square inside. Now see C part. There's 2 lines, means they make the plus sign, then one side they join, second side time they join the second side also, then in third they join 3 portions of a line, then 4 all they join, then they are removing one line. So after this how many lines left? 2. So you make like this, then one line they will remove it will be like this only. Clear? And then at the end plus come. Then D part, after 1 4 is written, means you check out the difference between 1 and 4. There is a difference is of 3. Clear? So after 4 and 7 there is a difference of 3 again. Clear? Means after 1, if 4 is coming, then after 7 what will come? There will come 10. Clear? Because there is a difference of 3. So here come 10. After 13 plus 3 what you get? 16. Then plus 3 it will get 8, 19. And then come 22. Clear? Now in E part, after 5 11 come. Clear? How this 11 come? They said 5 multiply by 2 plus 1, then it comes 11. Next time what they do with the 5 only, they multiply with 3 and then they plus 1. Clear? Answer comes 16. So next time you multiply 5 with 4. Clear? And then answer comes. So see how we do. And one more way you can see it. 5 and 11 there is a difference of 6. Then 11 and 16 there is a difference of 5. Now there will be a difference of 4. So how we do? See, and the next page I did. After 5 11 is written. How 11 is written? Now what they do in E part, 5 plus 11 it becomes 16. So 16 they written. Next time you have to plus 11 and 16. 11 plus 16 answer come 27. then you plus 16 and 27, answer will be 43. Then in next step you add 27 and 43, answer comes 70. Then come 70 and 43 you plus, answer will be 113. Clear? Now in F part, see the difference. 8 and 15 is having difference of 7, and 15 and 22 difference again comes 7. 22 and 29 again difference is 7, means in 29 what do you have to add? In 29 you will add 7, answer will be 36. Then in 36 plus 7, answer come 43. Then 43 plus 7, it will be 50. Clear? Now see G part. Firstly there is 1 0, then 2, then 3 zeros, then 4. Now how many zeros come? 5. So you put 5 zeros, then 6, then 7, and at the end 8 zeros come. Clear? Now student understand H part. In H part, 729 written, then 243. Do you know what they did? They divide 729 by 3. When you divide it, answer come 243. Then 243 again they divided by 3. Answer come 81. Again what we have to do? We have to divide 81 by 3. Answer will be 27. Then 27 you divide by 3. Answer come 9. Then again you divide, answer come 3. Then again divide, answer come 1. Clear? Now I part. First written 1. 1, they multiply 1 3 times. Answer come 1. Then 8. How many times they multiply 8? 2 into 2 into 2. So answer come 8. Then they multiply 3. 3 times. Answer come 27. Now next time they multiply 4. How many times? 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. Answer come 64. Then next 5 you have to multiply 3 times. Answer come 125. Then 6 you have to multiply 6 into 6 into 6. Then 216 come. Then 343 you have to multiply. How? 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Then 8 you have to multiply 3 times. Answer come 512. Clear? In J part, what they done? After 5 they have skipped one number, then written 7. Then after 7 they written 9. Means you skip one number. After 9 what come? 16. So here means one blank you leave and then write 16. After 16 what come? 18. So you leave one blank and then write. Similarly next one they did. After 10 they written 12, then written 14, then they written 16. Clear? And then they written 18. Clear? You have to do it in the book only. Now we do question number 2. Question number 2, you have to see the answer. One term is missing in each pattern. You have to find that one pattern. Clear? From the option, you have to choose one option. Now, firstly see this one. Firstly it is making quarter, then half, then quarter, then what they made? They made full. D part will be the answer. In B part, the arrow is this side, then down, then this side, then it will be up. So this will be the answer. C part, dot are this side, then up, then this side, then it will be, yes, it will be straight. Then one line, two line, then 3 line. Now how many lines come? 4. So which figure is having? C part only. Clear? Now E part. Up 1, then 2, then 3, then how many? 4. So which one answer is there? D. Now next one, circle is having 1 square, then circle having 2, then 2 circles and 2 rectangles. Now 3 rectangle and 2 circle. Now how many circles come? 3. There should be 3 circles with 3 rectangles. So A part is the answer of it. Clear? So So I hope you understand how to do patterns in numbers, in figures, and in real life. Clear? According to the question, you will find out the arrangement and then complete that plan. Clear? So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.